Hello! I haven't made a video in forever, and I actually decided that I'm going to try to make videos more often and not worry about whether or not my background is in order or any of that stuff. My room is a mess. That is my daughter's unmade bed. There's stuff everywhere, and I've just decided I'm not going to worry about having high quality. I'm not going to worry about having a good background. I'm just going to make a video if I feel like making a video, and right now I feel like making a video, and I apologize for how long it's been since I have made one. I'm going to start trying to upload both to Instagram and to YouTube so that it can be experienced both places if you are so inclined. And I'm going to try to be more regular, even though I know only like 20 of you are watching. Whatever, it's fine. I am really doing this more for the same reason that I did my videos when I first started doing YouTube, which was to kind of hone my own skills and increase my own experience when it comes to vintage styling. And I still love vintage hair so much. I do have a more like easy breezy hairstyle than I've ever had before now. I typically keep my hair with bangs and a little bit longer so that I can just wear it, you know, wash and go if I feel like it. But for the most part, if I'm going out for any kind of special event, which obviously doesn't happen very often these days, then I do fix it, you know, with the vintage style. So anyway, I saw this picture, and I'll post it somewhere, of Rita Hayworth, and I was just thinking, I don't think I've ever done this hairstyle before. The Rita Hayworth style that everybody requests and that I've done before is more the like over the eye kind of soft waves, the Gilda style. This is a little earlier in her career, and she wore her hair a little bit curlier. Now her hair is naturally curly, so this is sort of indicative of that style. And all I did was I rolled my hair backwards on and I'll probably put this on TikTok too, so there might be some unspoken portions of it. And all I did was roll the top section of my hair with a couple of flexi rods and just pin curled my bangs backwards just to kind of meet that back swept style. And my hair should be the right length to make this work. It's not quite the right texture to make it work perfectly, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. So these little pillow rollers are amazing. I did a video recently about them. I love this little soft silky curl they leave. I prepped my hair with a little bit of Motion's Foaming Wrap Lotion, which I've gone back to after many years of having gone away from it. And I prepped my hair with that, and then, of course, didn't use any conditioner when I wash my hair. I never ever do, because I have hard water and my hair gets weighed down with conditioner. So I've got some curls, but they're not like kinky curly. And I have started an influencer page with several shops on it. It's going to have stuff that I use around the house that I really love on Amazon, stuff that I use around, stuff that I've worn that I really enjoy, like wearable stuff, and then stuff like a skincare shop and a makeup shop. So it's not got a whole lot in those areas, but these are things that I've purchased regularly from Amazon, and I thought if you guys wanted to help me out, you could shop through my influencer store, and then you will be helping me out as well as purchasing things that I know that you'll love. And I was doing, I was a beauty consultant for an online company that does mostly K-beauty and international beauty brands for a while, and I have decided to step away from that because I discovered that almost everything that they have on their website you can get cheaper on Amazon, and I started feeling like it was a negative thing. So I'm no longer with that company. I'm not going to bother like ratting them out or anything, but I've just decided to go ahead and open up this Amazon page for those of you who want to help me out. So I'm going to use my Denman brush to break up these curls. And I didn't part my hair, so I'm still unsure which way I want it to go. I think I'm going to go against my natural part because I think that's going to give me a little bit more volume. Now my curl shaper brush is from Lauren Reynolds' vintage hairstyling site. And I really, really strongly recommend it. I've actually got some static going. There must not be much humidity in the atmosphere right now. But I just use it to break up the curls, and then I'll go back in with my Denman brush and shape them out. shape it out, and then I'll probably go back to this at the end. I feel like this is a great finisher brush and a great starter brush, but it's not as good for the in-between. So I use 2 different brushes. Alright, so I want it to stay curly and fluffy, and I'm going to go with the natural way that it seems to be wanting to go, which is that direction, and already is pretty close to the style I was after, which is cool. I'm going to part it kind of deep over here, and my hair is going to fight me on this because this is not the natural way that I part my hair, but I'm going to try to get it to sort of fall in line there. It's probably not going to be the cleanest part. I've got a lot of little broken baby hairs along this parting line. Backwards right here, and just so that I can keep that curl action going back there, because as we know, her hair was naturally curly, so I'm gonna have to train mine into this space in order to make it look as though it's more tousled and naturally curly, whereas hers probably just fell that way after she brushed it out. And this is going to be more of a 40s look. Switching to the Denman brush, I'm going to use some hairspray to get this back area going the way it's supposed to go. This is sort of falling in a good way. Okay. I had to go back and look at it. Now, hers has a lot of volume up here due to her natural curls, I think. I mean, I'm sure she also pin curled, but when you've got natural curls and you're doing a Hollywood style, it just generally tends to fall a little bit fuller. Mine's not going to be quite as full as hers, but the thing that I really liked about this style is how polished it looked while still looking somewhat freeform. So I'm really liking that right there. I'm just going to start spraying what I like. And I kind of like this over here, even though, again, the part is not the cleanest. Whatever. Since I didn't know for sure which side I was going to part it on, the part is not going to be the cleanest. Whatever. But I really love all this curl action going on. Ooh. Alright, and then this side she has swept back in a comb, I believe. This is going to be super easy, because these are so great. I rarely do pin curls anymore. Although, I will say that my head has become more sensitive in my old age, and I am starting to have difficulty sleeping in sets that used to be super easy and comfortable. Like even my wrap, snap, and go rollers, I just want to toss them across the room in the middle of the night. So, that's kind of an issue. Hopefully, I think my storage on my phone is about to run out. Okay. So I'm going to throw this into a comb really quick. I'm going to have to free up some storage on my phone. This, I believe, I'm going to have to look at the picture again. I can't remember if this side was smoother. But you know what? I don't even care because I like it like this. So I'm just going to keep it nice and smooth right here. Just a little bit more broken up than that. Just like that. Oh my gosh, it keeps saying storage low, tap to manage, storage low, tap to manage. Okay, so I'm going to brush the back and then I'll come back and show you the back because I don't have time to do it on camera. Okay, so I have to clear my phone and get storage on my phone. I don't have any other way to make videos right now, so this is it. But this is how it turned out. I'm really liking it. It's a little looser on this side, a little curlier on this side, and then this is the back. After some brushing, but not as much brushing as I would typically do because I didn't want to brush away the curl. I didn't want it to just turn into waves back there, so it's a little bit looser, a little fluffier than usual. But this is that sort of indicative of that Rita Hayworth curly do. So hopefully this was fun. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will let you go before my phone crashes.